For demonstration, here we have 20 stitches on my needle. 16 stitches multiple of 8, 2 times 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 2 extra stitches 18 and plus 2 edge stitches 20. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our repeat. Purl 2, knit 6. This is 8 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches has? One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl, slip edge, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn in back. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 6. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 3 stitches. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2. Yarn in back, knit 1, knit together 2 times, yarn over 1, 2, knit together from back loop, knit 1. That's our repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, knit together 2 times, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches has? One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1, knit together from front loop, 2 times, yarn over 1, 2, knit together from back loop, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. In this row again knit as knit and purl as purl, slip edge, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 6, 1, 2. These are 2 yarn over stitches. We purl these 2 stitches like this. 1 and 2. Purl 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 6. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 3 stitches. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit together, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's our repeat. Purl 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete. Now sixth row wrong side. Again it has knit and purl as purl. Knit 2, 1, 2, pole 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our repeat. Knit 2, pole 6. Again knit 2, 1, 2, pole 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, pole edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our repeat. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches? One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 3 stitches, purl 2, knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side, looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.